Oh my. Oh my god. Man, it's killing us. I mean, that's fun.
Hey guys, it's Chris here.
How's it going, guys? Ray here.
We're Expert Dummies, bringing another reaction video today. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button for future content.
Yeah, make sure you guys keep dropping your comments below. We really appreciate them. We have fun reading them. We appreciate the insight that you guys provide. So keep it up. If you have any, suggestions, recommendations, keep letting them fly. So what do we got today, Chris?
Stevie, Vaughan, Texas Flood. You and I believe, both know this song, but we're just gonna do the live version from El Mocambo. So let's go ahead and let's get at it.
Perfect. Feel the passion reading.
Well, it's flooding down in Texas. All of the telephone lines are down. Well, it's flooding down in Texas. All of the telephone lines are down. Well, I've been trying to call my baby. Lord, I can't get a single sound. Well, the clouds are rolling. Man, and I'm standing out in the road. Well, the clouds are rolling. Man, and I'm standing out in the road.
This man is shredding.
Oh, it's so good.
Well, the water keep a rolling. Man's about to drive past Stevie Ray inside.
Imagine seeing him at that venue.
Oh my god, insane.
Such a small venue. At least it looks like it.
Oh, easy. I just feel his passion coursing through my veins.
Yeah. Just so fluid with the guitar. Just so natural.
So
Just makes it look so easy.
it's like you can really see his like soul like, in the song.
Yeah, yeah.
In his-
All right. Just want to get your reaction. I think I know it already. I mean, I think you know what I'm thinking, but
yeah, I think we're on the same page here. So,
yeah,
yeah, I mean, huge fan. Um, Probably my favorite song by him, but I'm glad that we're seeing a live video because I've actually never seen a video of his live performances. So, glad I was able to, and I mean, it definitely is not disappointing. So, what do you
yeah.
got?
No, I mean, I love it. I mean, Stevie Ray Vaughan's great. He's a legend, one of the best guitarists ever. I think we should. I think I'm thinking about like a series we can do about just guitarists and maybe live performances. And so, if anyone out there has any suggestions, drop them down. I mean, we've done Robert Cray and John Mayer, who are two really good guitarists, and obviously Stevie Ray
Yeah,
Vaughan, one of the best ever. So we have these, these three done. But definitely want to start a series doing that. So if you guys have any suggestions, definitely drop them, especially unknown or
I was
lesser
gonna say,
known
especially like
guitarists.
lesser known guys, that you want to, you know, get us like exposed to. We're more than happy to, like you said, Chris, put together like a little series.
Sure. But obviously, yeah, Stevie Ray Vaughan. I love this song. Love Stevie Ray Vaughan. Just that he's so natural with it. Um, just a legend. But let's continue.
I love his stank face.
Yeah.
Getting pizza.
Which makes it look so easy. Like it's like anyone can do it.
Yeah. god. Oh my god. Man, it's killing him. I mean, that's fun.
Yeah, it's just ridiculous.
I can play it like 3 tones and this man ripping behind the back.
Lord, now I'm going back home to stay. Well, I'm leaving you, baby. Lord, now I'm going back home to stay. Well, back home I know, like a tornado. Baby, the sun shines every day.
All right. So I mean, my first reaction would be like, I would love to be there. That's such a small venue. That would be so awesome
my
to see him
God,
there.
yeah.
That would be ridiculous. Second is just that he makes it so effortless that he just he's just that good. I don't know if there's much more to say about it, honestly. Like he's just
Like
pretty.
the performance speaks for itself.
Yeah, I
Like
mean,
it
it's
doesn't need a rating. It doesn't need my reaction.
yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory that this man is a god. Um, But yeah, I definitely want to do a series coming up about guitars. We have to do Hendrix. But for this song, I'm going to give the song like an 8.3. Great song, great live performance, great guitarist, great voice. Just overall, great song, masterpiece,
Yeah,
especially for
yeah,
a
I'm
live.
with you. Gonna give it a 9 out of 10. Just the fact that I already enjoyed the song. You know, I knew the song. I liked the song already. And the live performance is really just what gave it that 9 out of 10 for me. It's unreal. Like you said, self-explanatory, just how great of a musician he is. So 9 out of 10. Like Chris and I mentioned earlier, we definitely are going to try to put together like a series of live performances. So I know, Chris, you know, you and I will definitely want to do Hendrix. But if you guys have any other artists that you would like for us to do, even lesser known artists, you know, please feel free to drop them in the comments.
Yeah. So Stevie Ray Vaughan, great guitarist. But I think it's gonna wrap it up for us. Yeah. Stay tuned for upcoming videos. Drop some comments. Please hit that subscribe button. Just stay tuned, guys. Thanks.